Hello, and welcome to Interactive Design and Tech. Today I'm going to be going through AutoCAD basic commands for beginners. So this is just for people that are just starting out using AutoCAD, just to get their head around the basics. So just to get started, this is just a little file with some boxes in and some filled hatches and stuff. So just to get started, I'll go through some basic commands. So what I like to do is use the command line where you just type out your commands instead of clicking at the top, but you can click at the top as well. So for example, if I just leave my cursor in the middle of the screen and I start typing line, and it comes up with line, but you can actually just put L in and select it, or press enter to make it quicker. So now I've activated the line tool. It's saying I need to specify my first point. So I'll click the first point, which I want to be the corner of this rectangle, and I want to make this line 2 meters long and kick up at 45 degrees. So to do that, I type in 2000 for 2 meters, and I press tab, and then it's asking me what angle I'd like this line to be. So I'm going to go 45. And so now I've got a 2 meter line coming off this box at 45 degrees. If you'd like to do a square, start typing rectangle in, so it's rectang, and it's there. And same again, I'll click there. And it's asking me to specify the other corner, so I'll put 500 by 500. So now that's a 500 by 500 square that I've got on my drawing. If I want to move this, you just highlight it, type in move, and then you click where you want to snap from there to there. So as you can see, when I typed in move there, just highlight the box again, type in move, it comes up with these little green points, and these are called snap points. So that's the midpoint of the line, that's the corner of the box, that's the center of the box. So if you want to change these settings, firstly, if you press F3, you'll see it says O snap off, O snap on. So that's how you turn your snap on and off. If you want to change your snap settings, type in O snap, and it's just come up on my other screen, and it comes up with your snap settings. So when object snap is on, my cursor is going to snap to endpoints, midpoints, center points, generic, and so on. You can either select all or select certain ones depending on what you're drawing. So I'm just going to press OK to that. So if I go move again, if I highlight the box and go move again, and it's asking me to specify a base point, if I press F3, it shouldn't snap anymore. Yeah, so now, because O snaps off, it's not snapping to the box. So I want it to, so I'll exit the command again, press F3, highlight the box, type move. And now I want to snap to the midpoint of that line and the midpoint of that line. So that's just a quick one on just drawing and moving. If you type scale in, you can scale things. So I'll select the object I want to scale. And now I want to specify the base point of where I want to scale from. And I want it to be 2 times as bigger. And now I've doubled the size of that shape. If you want to copy something, same again, it's as easy as just typing copy. Select the object, and then you can copy it as many times as you need to. I'm just snapping to the midpoint there. If you want to mirror something, highlight what you want to mirror, type in mirror, and then select your mirror line. So now I want this to mirror at 90 degrees. So if you press F8, that puts on Ortho, so that means your cursor will only go to 90-degree increments. So now if I drag that down, I know it's at 270. And so an erase source object, yes or no, so I'm going to click no to that. So that's how you mirror. If you wanted to hatch something, it's as easy as typing in hatch, selecting the objects you want to hatch into, and then selecting the settings at the top of what you want your pattern to be. So I'm going to go for sand. And on the scaling of this model at the minute, it's solid white. So if I change the scale to 5, probably 10 actually, so it actually looks like sand. And that's how you fill things and hatch things. So these, for example, are hatches. And another thing I was just going to cover is trimming. So if you type in trim, select the objects you want to include in the trim. So I'm going to select all them, and then I'm going to select the part of the line I want to trim. So that's a double click because there's obviously two boxes there, and that's how you trim. So then right click and go enter, and that's how you trim. So there are your basic drawing commands for AutoCAD. I hope you found this little video helpful. If you have, please do subscribe to my channel to support, and thanks for watching.